ESC that has a black thin cable. It is red, just like the front LEDs are red, but I need a green. So these two have red thin cables, and the one which is black, this one, that one has a red LED. So I need to try one with a red wire. The spinning direction is not the same. So this one, I think it's spinning to the left, and that one it's spinning to the right, and these have to be rotating in the same direction. Those have to rotate in the same direction also. Okay, we can check the color of this LED, this one, even by inserting the red and black into the battery. So the exterior is the positive and the interior is the negative. And here we can see that the LED is green. Let's try another one. It should be the same color because it has a red wire. So red goes to the outside and it's green also. Now let's check one with the black cable. That one is red. So the black is red and the red is green. Strange. Okay, now the color of the LED is good. This one has a red thin wire, but there's another problem. I soldered these wires, the blue, black and red, the same way as the previous ESC, but this one's rotating to the left and that one's rotating to the right. Left and left. Left, 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 right. So this should rotate to the right just like this one. Right, right, left, left. So to invert the rotation, I have to reverse any of these wires, the red, the black and the blue. Let's say I will inverse the blue and the black because they are the closest. Now it's spinning in the right direction. This one's spinning to the right, left and left. Well, it's not beeping. So that's the original ESC Electronic Speed Controller. That's the newer one, and they are not identical. Look, this chip is much smaller compared to that one. The other side is a bit different also. The LED is smaller here compared to that one. Plus this one, the new, has a capacitor. The old one did not have a capacitor.